Home Remedies presents. Here's what drinking Amla Cumin seeds water every morning can do for your health. In today's video, we will talk about Amla and Cumin seeds, which are a match made in heaven. Amla and Cumin seeds are both powerful ingredients on their own. What happens when they come together for this magical health potion? Whether you eat Amla raw, juice it up, or consume it in powdered form, this berry always bestows you with some great health benefits. Cumin seeds contains thymoquinone that provides enhanced protection to the liver and inhibits inflammation. It's also a boon for those who are diabetic and are struggling to control their blood sugar levels. So, what happens when you combine the two? Since both these ingredients have their own benefits, you can only imagine how powerful they will be when they come together. So, everyone should try this water every day and see its benefits in no time. What you will need: amla chopped 1 or 1 teaspoon of amla powder, cumin seeds powder 1/4 teaspoon, ginger 1/4 teaspoon, pink salt 1/4 teaspoon, water 1/2 glass. How to prepare? Add everything in a blender and blend it well. Using a sieve, strain the amla paste by pressing with a spoon. In the output, add 1/2 glass of water and drink it slowly as your morning drink. If required, you can also add some honey. You can drink this every morning. Highlights of the ultimate amla drink. Weakness of body, heart, and mind shall be dispelled by taking this drink. The best way to detox your system and improve organ health. Immunity boosting to help you stay away from any health lows. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.